Screaming Goa clothes though. Screechy, very Goa. Let's get started. Hi you guys, I'm so happy here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a pack with me. I felt like there were just too many vlogs happening on the channel and I've never felt like this before because I've never been this active. But I love it here. I love the comment section on YouTube. I love chilling with you all, showing you what I'm up to. And yeah, that's what's happening today also. So I'm going on a little trip and that is to Goa. You probably saw by the title, Pack With Me for Goa. But this is the only way I could stop my procrastinating self from packing. I hate packing. Like, I actually dread it. I love the flight. I love the trips. I love the memes. By memes I mean memories. But one thing I don't like about traveling is packing and unpacking. And this is my way of romanticizing it, I feel like. We have a small problem. I have a stroller, a mid-size bag and a big size bag from the same set, and I left my mid-size bag in London at my Masi's house. So we have to work with a stroller, which is fine usually for a normal person for a 3 to 4 day trip, but I am not normal and I carry a lot of outfit changes, a lot of clothes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with a stroller, but I'm gonna try my best to fit everything in. So today I'm just gonna be showing you all my outfits and everything I'm gonna carry to wear in Goa. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get started. Don't judge my outfit because this is how I am at home, and you know, sometimes I'll need to see like the real side of me. And my pajamas are like extremely cropped and my t-shirt is extremely not. But this is the reality of life. Okay, 1 minute. Pretty little white bag. Why is it heavy? Is there something inside? Oh, or not. I've kind of already like seeped through my closet and like seen what I want to take. Kind of have an idea. I've tried to plan like 2 to 3 outfits a day because I know it's going to be like beach and pool and that kind of vibe, and it's also raining in Goa, which means some outfits could get wrecked, and always better to have extra than less. Let's do this. Guys, this bag is suddenly looking very small. I don't know how this is gonna work. Also, for those of y'all who don't know, I am shooting with natural light. If you know, you know. My ring light is broken and I have not fixed it, and it makes this really weird squeaky sound when I shoot. So I can only have it on and be using it when there's like some kind of audio in the back. And I definitely don't want your ears to go eek, screechy. The light might change through the video basically. Let's do bottoms first. I am thinking, I have 3 pairs of pants, but they're all like very super Goa pants, and 2 of them are pants I could also wear on flight. So one of them I'll probably keep as my airport outfit, and then the other 2 I'll wear there, and maybe even repeat the airport outfit there if need be. But I have these dark green pants that I got. They're like really crushed and cute. I haven't really had a chance to wear them in Bombay because they're just not like a Bombay vibe, but they are a Goa vibe, and it's gonna be super easy to match as well. So that's one. Then I have this pair of printed pants that I just wore in my previous vlog, and I found them so comfy and cute, and I haven't really gotten like cute pictures and stuff in them. You can wear this with a tank top and I'll be sorted. So I have this, and then I have these beige pants. Again, linen pants. I think they're from H&M only. Usually they are. Oh no, these are from Uniqlo. I'm probably 90% going to be wearing to the airport with a tank top, but I will decide my airport outfit later. Then I have 3 pairs of shorts. One of them is this denim pair, which I got from Pull & Bear when I went to Portugal. Then I have a white pair of shorts. Again, they're like a little bit ripped, but not as much as the blue ones. These do need to be altered, so I will send them for alteration before I put them in the bag. And then I have this pair of blue shorts. They're like cotton linen, not linen actually, I think they're cotton. I will never know, neither will you all. It has this like little cute white detailing here and also on the pockets, which I love, and I love stripes on my bottoms, like pants with stripes, shorts with stripes, skirts with stripes. Sign me up. And usually like Goa is not like a pinstripe stripe checks place, but I feel like if the color and the fit is right, then you can definitely pull it off, and this is how I feel about these shorts. Also, these I can tell you the price because the tag is still on and I haven't worn them. Oh, I got it on sale. The actual price is 2590 and I got it for 790. That is insane. That's crazy. Anyway, Zara's too expensive, guys, to like not shop on sale. Then I have this green skirt. It has this little slit in it. I've had this for like ages. Like it's from such an old Zara collection, but I've never worn it for some reason. Next, let's do tops. I have not decided what I'm gonna wear with what, but I kind of know how I dress like in my head. Usually I'd wear like a fitted tank top with shorts because the shorts are not fitted. Wear a fitted tank top with almost everything, honestly. If you know me, like my body type and the stuff I wear is usually little top, big pants. These are the tops I'm taking. I'm taking a basic t-shirt because why not? It says what the FC UK. Then I'm taking this really cute top that I got from AYCS. All my clothes are in the size XS, by the way, if you'll end up asking in the comment section, either XS or S. Then I'm taking this black tank top. Oh my god, wait, I'm missing a bottom. I forgot to show you all one of the bottoms. Hold on. I remembered because I thought of this to wear it with that. I'm taking this like black slit skirt. It's a long skirt. It has a slit here. And it has like these little drapes happening. It's super chill. It could be very very dressy, but I'm gonna like just wear it with a short black crop top and flats and like some beaded jewelry to make it very Goa. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know how that happened, but anyway, that skirt is also part of my bottoms and this black tank top. And then I have this really cute floral tank, which is a strap I need to tie. But if you ignore that, it's a really cute floral tank. It's super thin and comfy and summery. Then I just have some plain tank tops. This jungle green tank top and this white tank top. Both are from H&M. I got these for like $3.99 or $4.99 a while ago. And honestly, usually H&M clothes usually like lose their fit after a few times of wash, especially in this $3.99, $4.99 range. But these tank tops are amazing and I keep looking to check if they're like back in stock because I want to repurchase them and get them in a bunch of colors as well. I have blue, green and white. I'm not taking blue because I felt like I'd overdone it with the blue clothes. But now suddenly I don't have any blue top. I had like 4 blue tops when I removed it and I was like, oh my god, that's too much blue. Oh, I know why I did that. My swimsuits are blue. Wait, you'll see that in a minute. This is the next top that I'm taking. It's really cute, but it's a little bit low. Like this is something I could wear in Bombay as well. For some reason I just feel like more comfortable wearing clothes like this. Places like Goa and Bali and Thailand because it just feels like appropriate for some reason. Here it doesn't always feel appropriate. And yeah, this is really cute. I also really like the pop of red and the frills and stuff. Like imagine this with just like denim shorts. So chill but yet so dressy. I have this brown vest that I again got from AYCS last time. This is weird because I barely used any of the clothes I bought from AYCS last time. I feel like I could wear this, like open it up and wear it with like the bikini top inside. Again, I feel like that would be so cute and the fabric is like perfect Goa fabric. It's like brown linen and it's a little bit like see-through. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah. Then I got this tank top with palm trees. They're really cute and they're comfy, so you can just throw it on. See, something happened now to the light. Anyway, you can just like throw this on if you don't really want to think about an outfit. I feel like some days might be like that. I feel like I'm talking so much, which I am, and I need to take a deep breath. Drink some water.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
The last thing I have is this white shirt. Again, it's linen. I've tried very hard to like keep the Goa aesthetic very Goa because I have not gotten a chance to do this. Like honestly, I've gone to Goa but it's always been for like events. I went after my 10th grade, I went after my 12th grade with like a bunch of friends, and obviously that was a really long time ago as well. And then I've gone for a wedding. I've just not gone to like chill. Like when is the last time I just went to Goa to explore? I don't even know. I don't know. For like a Bombay person, I've been to Goa very little. That's it for all my tops and bottoms. I need to show you my dresses and my swimwear. Dress number 1 is probably this, which you all have seen if you all have been following me for a while. I wore this in Bali, but I didn't really get to wear it out anywhere. Like I literally wore it, shot a reel in it, and that's it. And this dress turned out to be really pretty. It's like fitted at the waist and it has a cute neck and it just has palm trees all over it. Like I could wear this in the day, I could wear this in the night, I could wear this at any time. It's so pretty. And also I feel like when I was younger, I used to make fun of people that wore like long dresses. Like I used to be like, oh my god, that's so auntie. But for some reason, I love anything longer than my knee. Like short things are not as appealing to me as they used to be when I was younger. I am still young, but maybe I don't know if this is like in trend and if like teenagers are doing it, but I'm liking it and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, that's one long dress. And then I have this mini white dress. So cute. I love it, honestly. It has like some cute detailing on the top and it's just like short and sweet, and like I feel like it's easy to throw on top of anything even if I don't want to think of an outfit. Because as you can see, I haven't really matched tops and bottoms. I don't like having things like completely decided for me. I need to go there and like see how I'm feeling on that day and decide what I'm wearing in that moment. On to swimwear. I'm taking 3 swimsuits because I'm there for 4 days and I don't think we're going to swim every single day. Even if we do, then the first day I can wear on the 4th day again. But anyway, I don't think we're going to swim every single day. This is the first bikini bottom I'm taking. It's blue and I'm going to mismatch it with this green one. So cute. The texture on it is very similar, honestly. That's how it will look together. Cute. I'm a fan. And before I got this, because this is relatively new, I used to wear these blue ones with this brown one. These two are from H&M and I don't know where this is from. I don't think we'll ever know. Anyway, I'm taking this as a spare just in case I don't like how this feels to me, because I know for sure that this works. This looks like it'll work, but I'm not 100% sure, and there's no harm in carrying one extra bikini top. And then I have this new bikini that I got from Primark. See how cute! I love the print on it. It is so Goa. It's screaming Goa. It's screaming beach, wave, pool. Top was for 2.50, which basically is 250 rupees approximately. Like imagine getting a bikini top for 250 rupees. Honestly, Primark is the best place ever, like on this planet. Then this is the bikini bottom. I haven't worn it, as you can see. Obviously, this is how we live life. The top and bottom are separate. This bottom is also for 2.50 pounds. Crazy. And I'm taking one full swimsuit because, you know, we're still in India. Need to take care of yourself. Can't believe I'm saying this. This is so ridiculous how normalized this shit is. But anyway, this is the swimsuit I'm taking. It's really cute. I've never worn this either because I usually end up wearing bikinis, although I've had it for a really long time. The floral print on this is so cute and I love the color scheme. Also, it has like a cute low back situation happening. Doesn't actually look very low here, but I promise it's a cute low back. I'm taking this, which is like a sarong type of thing. It's really cute. It's really pretty. And you can also like just like lay it out on the beach for vibes. You can also like wrap it around your waist or use it as a little towel, whatever. I usually take that to any beach place I go to. It's very thin, not like a towel, and it fits in bags. Even if your bags are small, it'll be handy enough, you know. You can also tie it on the bag, like on the strap of your bag. Speaking about bags, these are the 2 bags I'm taking. The first bag I'm taking is this one from Miss Nomer. I love this brand for bags. Muski, Satlu, Kanch and I got matching bags. Muski and I have it in this color and Satlu and Kanch have it in green. And then I have this, which is not at all summer appropriate. It's a black bowling bag. I know that I can like put my camera in it and stuff and I will be good to go. It's also very roomy. So I know this is going to be convenient even though this is going to be cute. So I can decide what mood I'm in. That's about it for my stuff. I'm about to put all this in my suitcase, arrange it cutely. I'm very specific about how my suitcase should look. I hope this stuff fits in the suitcase. I don't know. But yeah, let's do that and then let's talk.
How many burgers and fries did we eat on takeaway nights? How many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world? How many times did we say we'll forever be this way? How many days did we spend wishing we would never have to end?
Okay, my bag is all packed and that too way in advance. This is such a rare occasion. Literally today is the 12th of June and I'm going to Goa only on the 18th. So you can only imagine this suitcase is going to be lying ready to go for a while now. But I had really fun packing with y'all because now y'all can tell me your input in the comments and tell me what I shouldn't take, if you think I need to make any changes, that is, and if I'm forgetting anything, which at the moment it's going to feel like I'm forgetting a lot of stuff, but can't put a lot of stuff in my bag like I said before because I need to use it for the next few days. Also, I just realized that I haven't really given y'all much context on the Goa trip, and I am going with Mallory, my best friend, and her sister. We've been friends for really long, and she is going to Ireland to study. I feel like at this age and stage in my life, all of my friends are going to do their masters or MBA, and I feel like if I was in their place, I would have probably done the same thing. But my life changed so quickly with social media, and honestly it changed so much in lockdown that like I feel like the things that some of my friends are doing, I am not on the same path as them at all, which is kind of scary honestly. But also like I don't have any of my close friends with me in Bombay because every single person has gone to study. That is it for this vlog. I know I didn't pack my whole suitcase and I don't want to hear a thing about it. That is life and y'all have to deal with it. Yes, cool. Also, oh my god, I want to thank you all for 150k because I forgot to do it in the last vlog. But thank you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Lots of love and kisses to you all. Honestly, it feels like the safest, coolest place for me because the comment section on YouTube is so... Instagram sometimes gets a little like hateful, and that's okay. Like I'm kind of like getting used to it. Actually, I would say I'm quite used to it. But I hope you all had fun watching. This was a very different type of video for my channel. It seemed kind of fun and you all are very into fashion and the clothes I wear. So I feel like this could be entertaining for you all. Let me know in the comments if you all enjoyed it or if you all want to just see more vlogs. And I will do whatever you all say. Your wish is my command. If you stay till the end, I love you so much. And I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!